To the roundup, got a couple boxes today. All these boxes are psychology and how to hypnotize people. So somebody was really into hypnotizing. Pearl Harbor, the movie, really clean, nice book. Lots of Christmas stockings in good condition. I'm gonna take those to the nursing home when it's that time. Several of these, 6 of them, and this is what they are. You put a picture in there and you can either set it up or hang it on the tree. This is very heavy. I like this. This is a heart, just a decorative item. I really like that. The plate from 1991 does have 22K gold, so is that considered dumpster diving gold? And we've got the ceramic pig. He needs to be cleaned up. A few ornaments that are old, made in USA. That's an old one. And this guy needs to be cleaned up, but I like him. He's made out of wood, hand painted. He's just dirty. Thanks for joining us.